What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your POCO M6 Plus. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone. Now here scroll down and tap on factory reset, and then scroll down and here you will see a erase all data option. So tap on this option to factory reset your phone, but when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default and everything from your phone will be deleted, including contacts, photos, videos, apps, everything will be deleted. So tap on this option and after that your phone will be reset. So that's how you can factory reset your POCO M6 Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.